Hey everybody, it's Brandy, and can you say hi? Can you say hi everybody?
Hi everybody.
Oh, can you say I love it works?
I love it works.
Oh, all right. You can sit here in Mommy's lap while Mommy talks. Guys, we just had an amazing call with Mark Pentecost, and if you weren't on the call, I want you to listen to the call back. Here's the deal. Starts with one. Every time you sign someone up, a loyal or a distributor, and you grow your team, I want you to tag me. Hashtag. Starts with one. Can you do this? Hashtag. Or actually can you do this? Hashtag. Do that. Hashtag. Starts with one. Okay. This is huge, okay? If you come to Green Carpet, which everybody's coming. Say you gotta come. You gotta come. Tell them. You gotta come.
Yeah.
You gotta come to Green Carpet. If you come to Green Carpet, we're gonna be holding hands. If you hashtag me and starts with one this month,
Mommy,
and you're
it's
attending, yeah, no, let's look in there and listen. And you hashtag me starts with one, and you grow your team by one loyal and one distributor. We're gonna hold hands walking that stage, okay, for Green Carpet next month. And I want you on stage with me. So let's make this happen. We're going ambassador, all right? Mark's going presidential. We're going ambassador, and that means growing our team. That means helping you guys grow. If you need help charting, if you need help blitzing, if you need help, I want you to post that on the group page so we can all help each other. But we are about to take it to a whole nother level. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Tell them, I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too. And here's the thing, guys. We've been living our dreams, but it's time for you guys to live your dreams. And we're taking you guys with us to VIP section. We're saving your spot. We want you there, but we got to work hard to get there. So whatever you need from us, you plug in on the group page. You tag your team members. Are you so excited? Mm-hmm. Tell them. Say, I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited to watch you guys. To watch you grow your teams. Y'all are on fire. You believe in yourselves. You're going out and getting people. I'm so excited. Tell them.
I'm so excited.
Ace is so excited. We're so excited for y'all because what I've got to experience the last 2 years, I'm watching other people experience that, and it makes this so much worth it. All the late nights that you put in, all the phone calls, all the things that might, thank you. It's moments like that. Being a stay-at-home mom, it rocks. But I want everybody to be able to do what we're doing. And I want to see all of y'all promote, and I want to see all of y'all at that green carpet. I want to see all y'all walking that stage. Can you tell them, I'm so excited?
I'm so excited.
All right, tell them, starts with one.
Guys, that's fun.
All right, guys, tag me in your post. Love you guys. Bye. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.